Here's what it looks like. It took me about maybe 45 minutes or 30 minutes or so to do this. So give yourself at least 30 minutes, or at least an hour, you would say. So what I've done here, as you know, notice that the cones that represent the cuss tips, I made some adjustments as I went around and made the margin or ridges. The marginal ridge here, and you got the ridge here and the ridge here, and all the ridges has been adjusted according to this model here. And you notice I put a distal groove over here that separates the distal buccal cusp and the distal cusp. And I just went around and just slowly just rotate the instrument and around to get it nice and smooth. So to give you an example of that, so you can get it, how do you get it so smooth? I just rotate the instrument, rotate it back and forth, back and forth. And sometimes you're real careful, you can just smoothen it out too as you go along and working with it. It will smoothen out once you work with it. It takes a little time, and you can move this as well. See, the digital clay on the software in the future, which you can be using, you can move this around. That's the purpose of learning how to work with the clay here on this model. So you can move it around the way you want it. You'll see as we go along here. So you can just kind of make the adjustment, just rotate your instrument back and forth, carefully smoothing around and make the adjustments. If you need to make the adjustments on the cones, because sometimes they don't have to be, there's no golden rule to keep it perfect like this. You can make the adjustments according to what you see here on the model. Okay, so let's go ahead and smoothen it out and let's move on to the next step.